Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we are diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of February, 2025, our system has identified BigBear.ai Holdings as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.5. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has suffered a decline of 7.03%. This results in an average loss of 2.34% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 80.43% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 80.43% to 304.95%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 51.49%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -16.51% to 215.99% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.97 and $15.04. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, "Significant movements in BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Monday, fluctuating by 20.47% between high and low." The stock price of BigBear.ai Holdings decreased by 7.75% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, dropping from $5.16 to $4.76. During that day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 20.47%, with a low of $4.69 and a high of $5.65. The price has declined in 8 out of the last 10 days and is down by 47.23% over this period. Although volume increased on the last day by 13 million shares, it did so in the context of falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 54 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $259,050,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $10.35, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price is 54.01%, or $5.59, below the 52-week high, and 70.47%, or $11.36, below the all-time high recorded on the 6th of April, 2022, when it peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai's stock has encountered substantial challenges lately, with a significant decline of 17.1% over the last trading week. This downturn highlights a broader trend of sell-offs impacting the company. Market sentiment has also been swayed by speculation regarding its performance in relation to established firms like Palantir Technologies, which has experienced impressive revenue growth driven by artificial intelligence. In light of this, BBAI's stock has fallen nearly 25% in just 5 days, indicating investor apprehension about its valuation and standing in the market. Looking forward, BigBear.ai's involvement in Exercise Talisman Sabre 2025, where it intends to deploy its AI-powered solutions, may offer a chance for recovery. This prominent engagement emphasizes the company's potential within the defense and national security sectors, which could enhance investor confidence if successfully executed. In the near term, ongoing volatility is expected as the market responds to these developments and the upcoming earnings report scheduled for March 6, 2025. This report will be pivotal in shaping the company's future, potentially leading to recovery or further declines based on the outcomes. Long-term prospects will largely depend on BigBear.ai's capacity to distinguish itself in the competitive artificial intelligence market and secure larger contracts to foster sustainable growth. The recent upheaval might attract opportunistic investors who view this dip as a potential entry point. However, overall caution remains advisable given the recent stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was again reported that H.C. Wainwright gave BBAI a buy grade accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative forecast. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $5.58 and $5.64. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 13, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 51.33%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 95 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 103 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 118 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $4.45 and $4.21. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then decline to the next support level. For BigBear.ai Holdings, support is positioned just below today's level at $4.45. Should this level be breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $4.21 and $3.67. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, and given the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. In the past day, the stock fluctuated 96 cents between its highest and lowest points, representing a movement of 20.47%. Over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 16.26%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even established firms can encounter downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistent negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and the potential risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 5 cents per share. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $4.81. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings faces its first support level at $4.45. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 25th of February, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider purchase of 24,938 shares of common stock. On the same day, Ricker Sean Raymond also conducted an insider sale of 16,369 shares of common stock. Again, on the 25th of February, Ricker Sean Raymond made another insider purchase of 20,946 shares of common stock. On that same date, Blankenship Carolyn conducted an insider purchase of 30,145 shares of common stock. Additionally, Blankenship Carolyn conducted an insider sale of 19,996 shares of common stock on the 25th of February. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 88.05. Overall, insiders purchased 5,663,323 shares and sold 81,271,338 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Currently, the BigBear.ai Holdings stock shows several negative indicators. Despite a somewhat positive trend, we anticipate that BigBear Holdings will likely perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, our assessment of this stock remains unfavorable. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 4th of March, we expect BigBear.ai Holdings to open higher by 273 one-thousandths of a dollar, beginning trading at $5.03. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.